Let's learn how to get Facebook Messenger notes on your phone. Welcome back everyone. So recently Facebook enrolled a new notes feature for Messenger. And I'm gonna show you how you can get it and use it. So make sure to watch the video until the very end. The process is similar for iPhone and Android devices. And since this is a new feature that is similar to the Instagram notes. Well, first, open the App Store if you were on iOS or the Google Play Store if you were an Android user. We have to make sure that we have the latest version of Facebook Messenger installed on our device. So if it says open right here like it does for me and your app is updated to the latest version and we can simply open it, but if it says update, click on that button and wait a couple of minutes until the latest version of Messenger is updated. Once the app updates you can open it and log into your Facebook or Messenger account. Once you log in you will see the new notes feature above your messages just like you can in the Instagram DMs. If you want to share a note in Messenger all you have to do is to tap on the plus button right here and you'll get this little box where you can share your thoughts. You can write anything you want in here and when you are finished, just tap on the share button in the top right. Your Messenger note will be shared with your friends and all the people that follow you on Facebook. The feature is pretty much the same as on Instagram so it will be easy to use it. Your note will be visible for 24 hours after you post it. And if you want to delete a note before that you can click on your profile picture and tap on the delete button. If you don't see the notes feature in your app, I will do a separate tutorial on how to fix the problem and I'll leave the video link in the description down below. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next video.